Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of our AI build examples. In this video, we will explore non-planar vase mode, cladding, and multiplanar slicing. Let's start with vase mode, perfect for parts with open meshes at the top and bottom, like prosthetic parts. We've created a non-planar slice automatically and parametrically without any guides. Let's run the simulation. How cool is that? Now onto cladding, a fantastic mode for non-planar slicing, ideal for conformal printing and repairs on double-curved geometries. In this example, we've moved the main object and will apply non-planar cladding to a specific area, imported as separate geometry for full control. In the cladding settings, we can adjust the slicer with non-planar infills, thickness, and more, just like with horizontal slicing. Let's optimize the sharp corners for the best quality and run the simulation. Cladding is a powerful solution that can be combined with other operators, unlocking countless possibilities. Our unique architecture gives our users full control over slicing, accelerating production even for the most challenging projects. Moving to multiplanar slicing, we're now printing an automotive air duct, which is open-ended at both the top and bottom. First, we will extract naked edges and then create planes out of them. This parametric control is critical in a production environment to make sure we have the flexibility to adjust our slicing strategy. After slicing, we can see the layer height varies. For that reason, we will sort our polylines by average height, ensuring the desired simulation for our digital twin. How cool is that? Let's simulate it in light theme. Follow the rest of the videos for more examples. Thank you for choosing Aibuild.